Yo, just going to make my first purchase of 2021 from the Nike store. It's actually not the first purchase of 2021, it's the first sneaker purchase of 2021. While my actual intention was to pick up the Uptempo, I ended up picking up the Fire Red 4s because you know, all those pairs come with flaws and I found a good pair. Now just gonna head home and do the unboxing for you guys.
What's up you guys? Happy New Year! Welcome to 2021 and welcome to this video, which is my first sneaker pickup of the year. And before we begin this video, Happy New Year to you guys. I know 2020 has been a real rough ride, and if there's even one thing that you can be thankful for, count yourself lucky and count your blessings, man. The smallest things, and push through. You know, all of those hard stages that you thought that you really couldn't make it through, and you're still here right now watching this video, man, I'm proud of you. I wanted my first purchase of 2021 to be something from within the community, you know, support local. So the first piece that I picked up was a collaboration t-shirt by Jaywalking and Chaitanya Dixit. I walked into the store, tried it on, and it's actually quite well put together. It's called a fake jersey, I guess that's what it's called. So you see the text right there, artwork by Chaitanya, and the t-shirt of course is Jaywalking. So that was the first thing I picked up, 2nd of Jan. And then today, so the 3rd of Jan, I picked up the Fire Red 4s. For the longest time I kept calling them Brick Red 4s, I don't know why, but I think because it's got both those colors. But the colorway officially is white, fire red, black, and tech gray. I'll be honest with you though, I went into the Nike store actually to pick up the Uptempos, the Air More Uptempos in the black and white classic colorway had dropped. I had no intentions of picking up the fire red because I've been seeing online the quality is quite off on these pairs, and I'm pretty sure I'll get them for clearance because this specific pair, every time it's dropped, it's never sold out. It's one of the lesser popular colorways of the 4 OG batch. I think there were just 4, right? There was white cement, there was black, there was fire red, and there was military blue. And I think so the fire red is the least popular of those colorways. Much like I personally think the shadow in the Air Jordan 1 is the least popular colorway. But anyway, I get in there and they had a few pairs of the Fire Red 4s, and I was like, can I take a quick look at the heel tab area? And I went through all of them and I picked out the best looking one, the one that had the best quality or the fewest flaws. And then I had the Uptempos, they had the Fire Reds, and I was like, I can't buy both, so I just got the Fire Reds since this is now going to be only the second Air Jordan 4 that I have. I had the Drake pair, but then I downsized that, so man, I wasted a lot of time. Let's just lift this lid. Oh, nothing like some fresh sneaker unboxing. And shabam! Is the Nike Air tag the right way? It is. There you have it, the Fire Red 4s. I was talking to you about why I kept thinking it's the brick red. It's because the red right here on the midsole area is very different from the red on these lace eyelets. Lace eyelets? Is that what you call it? Well, first things first, man. The materials on these. Now this is not nubuck. Like you can see, I have the. Let me just get these. I have the Bread 4s right here, and I was really hoping that they'd somehow drop the same pair with leather, like even if it's synthetic leather, you know, anything other than nubuck, because this thing is a damn dirt magnet. So this has synthetic leather. It feels all soft to the touch. It's got this nice creasing going on every time you press it in. But you know, other than that, it's your regular Air Jordan 4. You have this net or this mesh right here that also runs through the tongue. The Flight branding with the Jumpman logo right there in a patch. You have your Air Jordan sewn in upside down in case you wanted to fold your tongue or whatever. Red sock liner, red tongue on the back. Your midsole done in white, black. You have this red overlapping here, and obviously the grey, your standard Jordan 4 outsole, these wings to keep your laces in place, and a black insole with the Nike Air branding right there. And the hero, or the best part of the sneaker, is the Nike Air right there on the heel tab. Ever since they're retro, I think the pair originally dropped in 1989, but I think Nike Air is making a comeback for the first time. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think earlier retros came with a Jumpman on the back, and this is the first time that Nike Air is here. Go through the size on this pair. However, if you have broad feet, I would personally recommend going up half a size, because this bit right here, it fouls with your toe if you have really broad feet. Oh, you know, I've never really smelled a pair of Jordan 4s. It's not a shadow of the Jordan 1s, but the glue smell though, the glue smell. Anyway, man, I just want to do a quick video of my first pickup of 2021. I'm now going to slip these on feet to show you what they look like I always do. And that's that for it. One thing I was very conscious of was the toe area, because I've been seeing a few images on Instagram, right? And a few pairs the toes were off and a few they were all right. I think it still is not that big a deal. But yeah, man, I spent at least 15 minutes going through the pairs at the store to find the most or the least flawed pair. So yeah, no regrets, man. If I'm able to save some money or make some money from some side gigs, I'll be sure to pick up the Uptempos, because that was actually what I went to fetch. Oh yeah, and I completely forgot. I know this is not a Jordan 4, but this was a Christmas present from my friend Sahil, which is Chicago Jordan 1. Wondering if I should team these two together, you know? I need to do a fit pick, which reminds me, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, you should. The links in the description below. Thank you for staying tuned. If you watched the video all the way to the end and you aren't a subscriber, thank you. Hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one, you guys. Peace.